Okay, so here's my problem. I have the upgraded Pro account so that I can, just make sure. I don't actually know where it shows me that, but I know I did because I got a thing that said that I did in the mail, so maybe it should say that somewhere. But so I have the upgraded account to be able to apply color. And I want to apply it to specific fields. So it says to use this coloring option, you must first create a single select field. Okay, a single select field. So select a single field, I guess. So if I do that and apply color, but it doesn't let me do it. So I try opening a field and choosing something, and there's no way to get to color. So that can't be it. So select color records the same as a single select field. What? I don't have a clue what that means. So everything that I can think of doesn't work. The directions that I looked at here somewhere say what you should do is coloring records by conditions, but I don't want to do that. I want to, it shows a calendar view, but here it says record coloring, so by select field. Select field, color records the same as a single field. If you have more than one single select field, you can choose but I don't. I have a single field. I just want to color a field. So how do I do that?